today. We got the Evo 10 and some springs. The carbon fiber trunk, you know. Yep. Tail light, you know. Single exhaust. Bum buckles, RPF ones. Stock for now. So we got these today. These motherfuckers. Coilovers on and shit. Yep, starting to rebuild a Evo again. I said back into the Evo life?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
That's too long, you know?
Alright. Grung there. I'm out to this. Nah, I tell you. One time. Fuck, you gotta say it, man. Yeah. Oh shit, what is this? I'm watching the same style. To the AMGs. One time 43 on 6th Street. It's out. And 43 to the body shop and shit. Alright. We'll finish with that. Body shop time. This is home. Mercedes Amg. Oh, who's that? BBG? Tell me what you think about. It's been a while, huh? Ooh. What's that right there? Front of there. Ooh, what's that? We're back on the black Benz today again. Oh, what the fuck is going on here, my nigga?
Whatever wire it is, I'm gonna show you. And then you just connect the wire man to it, and that's it.
This is going on the Benz.
One wire.
That one.
When you finish wire up that, you just look for the wire for the wire.
Yeah, the tuner is here, no? Yeah, I'm sound in the building again. You see, alright? Master boss. Tuner, it looks so tall. Oh, go on over there, so. Alright. Mechanic make, you know? Yeah, I see, I see that. Come on. They have black one. It's black base, eh? Outside. I got some food side. Yeah, man, so we're there up on the end, you know? And we're there. We're rolling it today. We're rolling it the G35 today, you know? All them thing there. Outside, it's finished. It's body shop, you know? Very, very good job, you know? Very, very good job. See me, I say. I'm a 6th Street across the street there, sir. One time. Which part? No, man, I put the spare. I put it back in the trunk. Huh? Drive up your car. Excitement of not the call, you know. Excite the equipment. The excitement, you know. Yep. Hear that clap? You hear that clap? That clap sound good. Come on. Back on the 43. I say that one over there, the go top there. Small touch up, you know? Yeah. This is a Benz engineering, you know? See box there. Now you can bring all the Benz in forward, you know what I mean? See me? That's good.
That around
The 63?
45, no. Take more current than this one.
Right, it's a bigger engine, bigger current business.
41.
Yeah. So what we got to finish now, we got the trim pieces, rim coming in. Clear stainless color difference because this don't have on the extra sheen as yet. Yeah, but look at it here. This one looking nice, clean, looking good. Right. Need to wash up. Up. GTR mode. So man, I say right there, how much I spoil. Alright, see that? Machine. Alright, you know, laughing around there. Every lick, we got the check engine light on because some bugger thing I had to try get off with the computer. That right here and all that thing there. So I don't gonna say that. Don't make them know, you know. You can individually put in the sport mode individually if you want to just need steering, suspension, drive, engine. There's no about the exhaust, but let's see. Sport plus machines and that. I know this is GTR mode, yeah. Alright, so we'll go back home. Got the camera. Oh, look right there. What is it? Oh, black and blue bosses, man. Alright. That's about it for now. Make some pop nines earlier. And we get the sensor.